Today I'm going to show you how to do a back scoot switch for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into the fifth move for grounded switch flips, which is a back scoot switch. And before you continue this video, I recommend that you have your pop front swipe switch. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. See, these are the comments that I love. Foxel, Fox L. Now a back scoot switch is basically just a back scoot, but as soon as that scoot leg gets up, you switch your other leg through. And this move is good to get because it's gonna help you with your hand swipe switches later on. So when you start this move, you're gonna be starting in a backside stance and you're gonna put your cheat knee on the ground with your other leg out in front of you. You're going to bring your outside hand up and around and put it on the ground behind you. Gonna shift your body weight over that hand, bring your scoot leg up. Once your scoot leg gets up, you're going to swipe that leg through, finishing the move in a backside stance. Now don't forget, you can do this move with a follow through. You can do it with a spin in the beginning, and you can do it with a spin and follow through together, and I do recommend you get used to those because. Now for tips on this move, I would just say really focus on trying to get your scoot leg all the way up before you switch, and try your best to get your hips up with your scoot leg so you're not going to the side a lot. You kind of want to try to get over yourself as much as you can, otherwise it's going to be really hard to get that switch and it's just going to feel super awkward overall. Progressions for this move. Obviously, if you don't have it already, you're going to want to have your back scoot, and that is about the only progression I could recommend at this time. So if you don't have that, get your back scoot and then come back here and try this move. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons for supporting this channel financially. Thank you to all my subscribers for supporting this channel emotionally. And real quick, I just want to give myself a quick little shout out for finally hitting 1,000 followers on Instagram. I've actually never had 1,000 followers like on my old account, so this is like pretty cool for me. Next, we'll be getting into a back swipe switch, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz. Also, if you guys want to follow me on the Instagram, the link is down in the description below. I'll see you there. You decide to come there. Yeah.